Hello guys, and welcome to another unboxing of NSZW-5, aka Senpai Goddess Haven 5. Here's the product code for those interested. I have already taken the liberty of pulling the XRs, MRs, any other. This looks like it'll be a SSP as our previous one that we pulled here. Has the same color back. I just hope I get a different one, as I've gotten the same one twice now. So well, I've gotten a duplicate of that one, and then of course we got a hit pack. So let's see what we have as far as our XRs. We got HMS Formidable. Very nice. And Altria Pendragon XR07. Very cool. Bunny girls are always welcome. I think she's a bunny girl. That's what it looks like. I like the foiling on the bra. The accents are very nice. The circle is just so perfect. It almost looks like a Pokeball or something. But I like that different view there too. Cool. So far, we have been winning with the XRs. We haven't gotten one duplicate yet. Let's see if we can do the same for the MRs. We have Hu Tao. This is a duplicate. I have pulled this one last time, actually. Focus. There you go. It's still very nice nonetheless. And our second one. Oh, wow. It's the MR slot was exactly the same in my previous box. Android 18 there. Okay, so dupe MRs there. Let's see if we can get a new SSP. We have a new SSP. Oh my god. Okay, we're not gonna show that. It's a little weird. I don't like these young looking characters depicted so lewdly. I don't care if they're 1,000 years old and they're vampires. Come on, man. Alright. Now we have the hit pack left. Pretty skinny. It feels like it might be either a TCX, which is the one we pulled in the last box opening, or a ECG. Let's find out, shall we? It's definitely an ECG. I was very confused. I had the same 5.6, and I was figuring it might just be the same card, but it looks like it's Raiden Shogun from the looks of it. Which is cool. Who doesn't like Raiden Shogun? Oh, this is actually Lila. Lila. ECG 03. Alright. Well, there you guys have it. Hope you enjoyed this opening. See you next time.